Hey guys, this is a little selection of Philo cups, which were already made. I found them in the freezer section at the grocery store, and I filled them with some mascarpone cheese, my homemade mascarpone cheese, that I flavored with rind of lime and lime juice, and a little bit of monk fruit sweetener, all to taste. Mixed it all up, and by the time I had it mixed, it was soft enough to pipe, so I put it in a pastry bag and piped little bits of it into these shells, and then I topped them with little slices of kiwi cut into a leaf shape, and fresh blackberries and fresh raspberries, and then I melted some apricot jam and top them with the jam, with the melted jam. Now, you can leave the jam off. It's kind of a French thing to do. They do look pretty without the jam, but they taste way better with the jam. And they get nice shiny coating. And it's kind of a traditional French thing to do with this kind of little fruit, mostly like if you're making a custard tart top with fruit. You can also do it with gelatin, you know, agar or carrageenan if you don't want the color. I think they look nice, and they taste even better. Let me try a raspberry one. I've got jam all over my fingers. The Philo cups are so nice and crisp. And the mascarpone cheese is so good with the lime. You could also do lemon or orange or vanilla, but I really like it with the lime. And the kiwis are nice and tart, and I really can't choose between the raspberry and the blackberry. I love them both. Couldn't do without either. So my previous video will be linked in the description, along with the Using Homemade Vegan Dairy Foods and Recipes playlist. The link to the mascarpone YouTube video will be down there. I will post this recipe on my blog, although there's not much to it. It's just mixing up the, the mascarpone cheese to your taste. And the rest of it's pretty simple. You don't have to make the Philo cups if you can find them. If you can't, you could probably do this on puff pastry and make them a little bit bigger. Or even little, like short crusts would be nice. And like I said, you can melt apricot jam, or you could melt agar or carrageenan. Maybe you might want to sweeten it up a little. So as always, thank you for watching till the end. Thank you for commenting, liking, sharing if you share. And I'll see you later, guys.